No chilling, no rolling, no cutting out. These sugar cookie bars are a lifesaver when you're short on time and you need to feed a crowd. The two ingredients that I love within this sugar cookie bar is the cream cheese and the almond extract. They're soft and chewy and so flavorful. To get started, in a large mixing bowl, which I'm using a stand mixer, I'm gonna beat together 1.5 cups of granulated sugar with 1 cup of salted butter. Then we're gonna add in 8 ounces of softened cream cheese and 1 large egg. And then you're gonna mix that on medium speed for about 4 minutes until it's nice and fluffy. You can tell when it's fluffed up a bit, it's gotten lighter in its color. Now we're gonna add in about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And my favorite ingredient of this whole thing is the almond extract. And oops, if you add a little extra, I won't tell. Go ahead and mix that for about another minute. It smells so good. I love that almond smell. Go ahead and turn that off, and now we're gonna put together our dry ingredients, which is gonna be 2.5 cups of flour, and we're mixing into that 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Whisk those ingredients together, and then we're gonna add those dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. You can do a little at a time if you need to, or if you're like me, just dump it all in there. Close that up, and then mix that on low speed until it's all incorporated. Our dough's all mixed, and now we're going to spread it into an ungreased baking sheet. This definitely does not look like cookie dough, but remember, this is sugar cookie bars, and it's gonna be similar to maybe brownie batter. Once you've got that spread evenly across the bottom of your pan, you're gonna bake that in an oven of 350 degrees for 20 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean and the edges are lightly golden. While the cookie bars are cooking, we need to whip up the delicious frosting, and to do that, to the bowl of the stand mixer, we're gonna add in 1/2 cup of salted butter, 4 ounces of cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Blend that together for about 2 minutes until it's smooth and creamy. Then we're gonna add in 3.5 cups of powdered sugar. Do that about 1/2 cup at a time. Then add in about 1 tablespoon of milk just to thin it out until it reaches a spreadable consistency. The frosting is done. It looks amazing. Now we just need to wait for those cookie bars to come out so we can frost them. These cookie bars have baked for about 20 minutes. They're perfectly golden. They smell fantastic. We just need to let them cool, and then we're gonna frost them. For the frosting, if you wanna throw in a few drops of food coloring, you can absolutely do that. Make it how you want to, and then of course get out the sprinkles and have fun. These sugar cookie bars are perfect for any occasion because you can really set the theme of what you're going for based off of the color of the frosting or the sprinkles you put on it. Slice these into the size of squares that you want, or just eat the whole pan yourself with a fork. I don't care, it's so great, but you're gonna love these. You can find the recipe in the video description. Then make sure you head over to the website where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes that you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.